Right, having a few problems printing this today. That clearly hasn't gone well. That's a shame. Probably got some setting wrong. This is new filament to me, so it'll take a while to settle down, get the settings right. That clearly hasn't stuck to the bed. Maybe I'm running too hot. Right, second attempt, and again the bottom layer is a mess. I've been thinking about this while we've been out. It may be that I've got settings for getting rid of the elephant's foot, which means it makes the first layer a bit thinner than it would be normally. And I'm guessing that because this is a very thin or narrow first layer anyway, that outside edge, it may be so thin that it can't grip properly. So I'm going to change the settings and see if that makes any difference, because this is frustrating. This is actually the third attempt. That was the second that I showed earlier. The first attempt is in the bin because that went completely wrong. Right, that one has literally just finished. I just came upstairs to check. So we're still hot. Don't know if I can lift that off while it's still hot. Probably jump up and fall off the table. Can't get it off at the moment, so it's still hot. It's a glass bed and it sticks to the glass bed while it's hot. Once it cools down, it actually just lifts off straight away, which is why I don't understand why we're getting this problem with it not gripping, because that is gripped so firmly I can't move it. And looking round the edge there, we got this funny edge again. The rest of it's all stayed in place, so where that one went loose, we haven't got that problem. And that one went loose there, so we haven't got that problem. Loose there. But we do seem to have a bit of a problem just up there. This is getting annoying. But I did change the settings. So I got rid of the setting that gets rid of the elephant's foot by making the first layer a little bit thinner. So that's helped it grip. But it's still not quite right. Just thought I'd watch it start. That first layer is going down fine. A little bit stringy, but that shouldn't stop it gripping. I don't know what's going on. Like I say, this is new filament for me, so it may take a while to get it just right. Well, I think we can safely say this is not going to plan at the moment. That one was even worse. Well, I did try upping the temperature a little bit, and that doesn't seem to have helped. Although, yeah, it's definitely moved, hasn't it? Well, what to do? have to have a think. It may just be this new PLA is not what I've got it set up for. Print temperature 200 to 210 or 210 to 240. Oh, if you're printing at 50 to 100 or 100 to 200. So yeah, if you're printing really fast, you want it at a higher temperature. Well, I'm not printing really fast, so it should be the lower temperature. So what's this? This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, at least 5th attempt, maybe even 6th. 99%, just finishing. Yeah, just finished. And that one looks fine. I replaced the nozzle on the extruder, re-leveled the bed, changed the heating slightly, and that one looks okay. So we'll let it cool down and see if it works. It's just a fidget spinner type thing, or a pocket fidget. You just spin the wheels. It's in a heart shape. Broken heart shape. Yeah. There's 3 different versions. This is the straight cut teeth. That one's the, whatever you call that, dog tooth shape. And that one's the angled gear, or angled teeth. These work, it's just a shame that they're a mess. Actually, that one doesn't look too bad. That's the one where it's just, that bit's gone a bit funny. But obviously that one is a mess. And that one works, but again, it's a mess. Shame. I might have a go at doing one of the other ones. I'll probably try doing both of them. But it's 1:15 in the morning, so I'll set the next one going. Well, good morning guys, about 7:30, and this one looks like it's done okay. Cool, it's stuck to the bed okay, but yeah, that one looks fine. That's with the shark's tooth gear effect, so we've got one more to do. Yeah, that one looks fine. Well, that's the 3rd one. That's come off nicely. That's with the angled teeth, or what do I call them. And there we go. Turn straight away. Yeah. Okay. I'll just put the camera on a tripod and we'll try all 3 of them. Right, got my hands free now. So that one's fine. straight cut teeth. That one's fine. And then that was the shark's tooth or whatever. That one's fine. So after a lot of heartbreak, with all these failed ones, we got there in the end. It's quite possible that that's the one that caused the problem, because that was some different filament. So that one went completely wrong. So I changed to fresh filament, but I needed to change the settings to get the fresh filament working. Oh, also I changed the nozzle, because that was, I think that had blocked it. So yeah, 3 hearts in the end, and they have come out rather nicely. So links in the video description to the original Thingiverse files. And I did this because one of my YouTube friends, Just for Laughs, he calls his channel, he did it, and I liked the look of it, so I thought I'd have a go, and I didn't expect to have that much trouble. Just a bit extra, these failed ones, they do work, they're just not right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave me a comment so I know how I'm doing.